name is Ananya Dasgupta. I direct the Center for Writing and Pedagogy, and we teach the course called Writing and Oral Communication, a mandatory skills course that every undergraduate student at CRIA takes. I teach this along with my colleagues Neha Mishra and Shayantan Datta, and we'll tell you a little bit about the course today. So, we of course know that a large number of students find writing very scary. They come to us and tell us things like, oh, it's too difficult, I can't write, I hate writing. And it's very, very gratifying to see the same students leave the course with a newfound facility for writing and sometimes even newfound love. Would you agree? Yeah,
Absolutely.
even newfound love for writing. So, when we designed the course, we asked ourselves two big questions. We said, what can we do to prepare students for the college level writing that they will be expected to do in all their other courses across disciplines from second year onwards? And the other question we asked was, what are the elements of common elements of academic writing that you see in the published works of professional scholars, right? Professors and practitioners of writing. So we worked with these two broad questions and then we produced this course. And this course, what we largely do broadly is that we demystify the process. We make the process doable for the students. And all the elements of academic writing, academic persuasive essays that we isolated from published works, we try and teach it to them in a way that it's accessible to all the first year students. You know, what makes this course interesting also is that we have combined oral communication with academic writing. We think the communication of scholarly ideas is very important. So, an important element of the course is all the papers that students learn to write via the process of drafting and revision. They are also expected to be able to communicate it clearly to an audience that may or may not be academic. And this we do by a variety of different presentation options. Shantan does PPTs, others have done interviews, there are podcasts. So we utilize all of that for it. Um, what is unique about this course is that, and it's unique, I think, within CRIA as well as outside, is that we hire and train teachers to teach this course. And the interesting thing about that, and Neha and Shayantan will, I think, agree with me, is that the training is exactly how the teachers are expected to teach their course. So they learn to teach the course in the same way that they are going to teach their classes. And what is that special way that they learn? It is to conduct workshop kind of classes that are learner centric and does not involve a lot of lecturing.
There's a lot of care that is taken to take into account the anxiety that students and all of us have around writing. And hence, we recognize that writing requires sort of a lot of space for processing feedback. It requires giving feedback, which instructors work very hard at. But also, we create spaces where the students can process that feedback, and that's where the tutoring support program comes into play. So in this is a peer tutoring program where we recruit second, third, and fourth year students who have excelled at the course in the past. We recruit them through a very intensive hiring process, and then we train them just like the faculty are trained every week. We train them rigorously throughout the trimester, and then they meet students for one-on-one tutoring sessions and help students with the elements that are being taught in the course. They help them incorporate that into their writing. So again, this is happening because these are all undergrad students. It's happening with a lot of hand-holding support from the instructors, from the tutoring coordinator, which is at the moment me. And all of this then comes together in a way that students are constantly learning to read, write, think in an environment which is one of care, support, really a lot of support, a lot of feedback. And it also helps the students who are taking the course build a disposition or sort of an attitude towards working with feedback, which we find is integral to the work of not just writing but also scholarly writing, because it's very conversational. It's people talking to each other within different disciplines.
In CRIA, a kind of pedagogy that the university really upholds and shares amongst faculty is the idea of learning to learn. And in that sense, WOC is designed such that students are equipped to continue to learn on their own in more advanced courses.
Like the tutoring program, the conversation partner program is another wing of the center's peer support programs. We hire senior students and we train them to provide safe spaces to their peers, but actually the program is also open to all members of the university, all stakeholders. Senior students are trained to provide a safe space where people can come practice reading, speaking, and listening in English without any fear of judgment. The reason why this is really important for a course such as WOC or Writing and Oral Communication is because a lot of students are anxious that their English skills are not up to the mark. That we see as conventionally important for scholarly reading and writing, professional reading and writing. And given the fact that we are a course that's deeply embedded in practices of care, we do not want any student to feel that they are being left out because they did not have the resources or the privilege that later manifests as quote unquote good English. One of the fundamental aspects, that we call our pedagogy interwoven pedagogy. And in the interwoven learning approach, one of its pillars is reading writing intensiveness, which means that irrespective of the subject that students choose at KRIA, they will have to undergo a curriculum that lays a lot of stress on being able to speak and write within the discipline as well as across the discipline. And a course like WOC builds the foundation for these skills, provides them with the skills that they can use irrespective of the discipline, the major minor combination that they choose to work with. Of course, we understand that there are conventional ways of reading and writing within a discipline that students of different disciplines have to train themselves into. So there are more discipline specific writing courses. So for example, I teach one called Writing in Mathematical and Quantitative Sciences. I co-teach it with a colleague from math. And even though that is a course that is geared towards reading and writing in mathematics, computer science, data science, etc., uh, the foundational skills are all drawn from and we build upon the skills that we draw from WOC. So that way, this course is really fundamental to any major minor combination that students are taking at KRIA. So we are very confident actually that students who've done WOC and who've had an education at KRIA are going to stand out in terms of being able to critically read uh, available material, process it, as well as communicate what they have to say to a very wide variety of stakeholders in extremely effective and persuasive ways.